Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to install Stremio on Arch Linux so you can stream movies and shows easily. If you've tried installing Stremio on Arch Linux before, you may have run into dependency errors or missing packages because it's not in the official repos. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the proper method so it installs cleanly and works without issues. Now, let's tackle the problem. Method 1. Install using the AUR. First, make sure you have an AUR helper installed like yay or paru. Then open a terminal and run yay ns stremio. This will download and build Stremio from the AUR with all necessary dependencies. Using an AUR helper is the easiest way. Manually building the package can get messy. Method 2. Install dependencies manually if needed. If you prefer manual installation, make sure you have libappindicator.gtk3, libsecret, and other required libraries installed. Run sudo pacman ns libappindicator.gtk3, libsecret. Then download the latest stremio.tar.xz file from the official site and extract it. Method 3. Run Stremio. After installation, you can launch Stremio from your application menu or by typing Stremio in the terminal. Hook Variation 3. The first launch might take a few seconds while Stremio sets up its configuration files. Method 4. Create a desktop file in .local/share/applications pointing to the Stremio executable. This lets you launch it from your app menu like any other program. And that's it. Stremio should now be installed and running smoothly on your Arch Linux system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux and streaming guides.